Today I'm going to teach you how to do this checkerboard stitch. As you can see, it's quite a nice little pattern. This one is really easy to do, really quick, and it's up really nicely. Here's another one here, an example. So you can do it in variegated wool like I have, or else it works really well with just plain wool as well. Okay, I'm just going to do a shorter version of this, just for the purpose of the video. So I've cast on 15 stitches here. And what we're going to do, we're going to make our pattern a 5 repeat. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 plain knitting. So just knit for 5. And then bring the yarn around and we'll purl for 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again we will knit for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically we have done 5 knits, 5 purls, 5 knits. So for the next row, we're going to keep this going for 5 rows. So this time, because it's an uneven number, we're going to do 5 purls, 5 knits, and 5 purls. You can see there the difference. We want to basically have the same one here for 5 rows. So we're going to purl 5. Okay, we've done our 5. Flip the yarn around, knit 5. And then purl 5. And you can see here, you can count them, so there's 1 and 2 rows we've done so far, just in case we lose track. And now we are going to go back to the original one, so we're going to knit, purl, knit for this one. And we're basically going to keep this going up until we have 5 rows of each one done. Okay, so you can see here we have done our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have done 5 in each of these, and now we're basically going to do the exact opposite than we did before. So the ones before that we would have purled, we're going to knit, and the ones before we would have knitted, we're going to purl. So we can start here that this would have been a purl. So now, because we're flipping the design, we're going to make this into a knit. So we're going to knit these 5. And we are going to purl the next 5. And once again knit the last 5. And basically we're just going to keep going with this until once again we've done our 5 rows. So, but this time we're keeping to this pattern. So this is clearly a purl. So we purl here. And we just keep going with this. And what I love about this pattern is that it's so versatile. Like, I would maybe use a lot of 5, 5, 5s, but you can do 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 10, 10, 10. Like, you can do whatever you want. It really works really well. It knits so quickly. And it's a very simple pattern, so you don't get confused. It's very easy to see when you've gone wrong. And it doesn't get boring because you are doing a bit of a change. So for me, it's probably one of my favourite ones to do. I really enjoy doing it. I'll come back to it at the end and just show you what this turned out like. So here we are. We have, you can see our first sequence of the pattern and then our second sequence of the pattern. And then if I was to keep going with this project, I would basically, now would be the time we've done our 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now would be the time to then start knitting these and purling these and knitting these and keep it going till the very end.